Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to earn money online with Whop clipping, so you can monetize your knowledge, build a passive income stream, and reach paying customers without needing a big audience or expensive tools. First off, Whop clipping lets creators sell short, high-value snippets from their videos. Whether it's a business tip, fitness hack, or tech tutorial, your clips can make real money. To get started, upload your content to Whop, then use their clipping tool to cut out powerful moments. Add a catchy title, description, and set your price, usually between $5 and $20. Here's a pro tip. Create clips that solve a specific problem in under 60 seconds. That way people watch, buy, and share them fast. Don't forget, promote your clips on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Repurpose your best content and tag relevant accounts to boost visibility. Also, track what sells and keep making more of it. Over time, your old videos can keep earning on autopilot. Should making money online with Whop clipping feel out of reach? Not anymore. Just start uploading, clipping, and converting your knowledge into cash. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know. What should we cover next?